Now, as you already know, NIO started with the test drive for the ET7 around the 5th of this month, which is something that is truly amazing. And we saw a lot of people on the net going out there to test drive the NIO ET7, and most of the people that test drive the ET7 came out with positive comments, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, you'll remember that this ET7 model NIO plans to start delivering on the 28th of this month of March, which is next week, which is something that is truly amazing. Now, this is the model that so many of the people were waiting for, not only in China but also outside of China. This is a model that is set to do very well. This is a model that NIO launched in NIO Day January 2021, and it's a model which is most analysts believe that NIO will sell a lot of these models. Now, you'll remember that, as I've always indicated to you, Deutsche also believes that this is a model that NIO will sell very well, which is something that I think it should probably motivate you to probably continue staying longer or investing for a longer term onto this new stock, because it will do very well. Otherwise, on the latest news relating to the ET7, guys, we read today that NIO has got a 6-month waiting list on the ET7 car, which is something that this just has to show you the demand that's on this car. Now, you'll remember that NIO has not actually revealed the actual orders that they have right now on this ET7, but one way or the other, this or the fact that the waiting list for this car is 6 months in China is something that I think you have to seriously see the demand that we can see out of this NIO ET7. Now, you'll remember that in one of my previous videos I did cover that it looks like people on Alibaba, or we read that people on Alibaba are selling orders. It is going around 3,500 to 15,000 yen, which is around 550 US dollars to 2,300. So those are some of the listings that are found in Alibaba, which is something that is truly amazing, and it just has to show you that for the fact that people are starting to sell their early orders for the ET7, this just means that a lot of people who really want as soon as possible to get their hands on this new NIO ET7 model, which is something that is truly amazing, and it should motivate you as an investor to see the demand that we might see on this NIO ET7. Now, you'll remember that from the letter that Deutsche Bank was reducing their price target on NIO from $70 per stock to $50 per stock, they did made their prediction or the total number of deliveries which they believe NIO will deliver for this ET7 model. And ladies and gents, they believe that NIO ET7 will deliver around 38,260 vehicles this year. So they believe that NIO will deliver 38,260 vehicles of this NIO ET7, which is something that is truly amazing. And I believe that though it's not much, but they believe that they will achieve this minimum figure this year. And you will remember that there are also other vehicles that NIO will be delivering or plans to deliver this year, namely the NIO ET5, the NIO ES7, which is something that is truly amazing. And this, like I always say, is something that I believe you should make you, or should be the one to make you stick in NIO for a longer term, because these 3 new models or the vehicles that NIO is launching this year are going to seriously boost their deliveries. And with the production ramp up that is taking place onto NIO Jack NIO factory, and of course the new factory NIO Park, we can expect NIO to meet the demand that we might see coming from these 3 new vehicles. Now, in fact, those factories are going to be the one to help NIO to get to profitability, or the production ramp up from Jack NIO factory and the new factory that is coming up, the NIO Park, are going to make the NIO stock to become profitable in 2023, which is something that is truly amazing, and it has to be the one to make you or keep you to stay long into this new stock for a longer term. Now, just today, guys, after the wonderful news of saying that there is a positive step whereby the Chinese regulators has informed some of the Chinese stocks to prepare their books for audits by the US is something that I think it is kind of like exciting investors, and which is why we are seeing NEO today trading around or over up by 8%, which is something that is truly amazing. And this is the something that I think investors like and want to see, especially those that are investing or that have their money in these Chinese stocks. This is something that is good news, and it has to motivate you also to probably keep calm and hear or see the outcomes or wait for the outcomes from the US regulators on the audits they are carrying on the selected few companies. Now NEO is a company which is just set to do very well, and like I said, I believe that this is a company that will easily give good returns to those that persevere for a longer term. Otherwise, you will know that this coming Thursday, NEO will be giving us their Q4 earnings results, which I've already done my prediction on the video which I posted on Sunday. I believe that they are going to be some good earnings, and I really look forward to see the projections or the estimates for their Q1 deliveries as to what numbers or what do they expect to deliver in the Q1 of 2022, which is something that is truly amazing, because these deliveries are the ones that sort of like make us to see where NEO could be in the coming quarters, which is something that is truly amazing. And like I always say, or like I've said also on this video, the production ramp ups, I believe that it's going to also help with NEO delivering more vehicles as the year unfolds, which is something that is truly amazing and has to make you to stick longer with NEO, as it is a stock which is just said to do very well. Now, I'm still very bullish on NEO, and this is a stock which I believe it will do well in the future. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that likes button, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And before you load the boat, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when investing into this new stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.